we had a question about self-employed people. What advice do you have for insurance planning if someone's a self-employed individual?
Yeah, that's a really great question. I love that. So thank you for that question. So it's really important for people who are self-employed. Nobody's looking after business owners, right? They don't
Right.
qualify for EI. They don't qualify for disability even sometimes, like these government programs that are in place for those of us who have an employer. So it's important to get your own disability insurance so that if you're injured, whether on the job or off the job, which is a great product that I have, that you have coverage to replace your income. So if you're hurt at home or in a car accident or on the job, that you have your income still coming in. Okay, so that's one part of it, is the disability coverage. Another part is the critical illness. If you're ill and you can't work, if you are diagnosed with cancer, a heart attack, have a stroke, something of that nature, critical illness is a lump sum tax-free payout. When you buy the policy, you get to choose what the amount that is. Usually 25, 50 to 100,000 depending on your income. I have one for 50 just because that amount is comfortable for me, right? So you want to have that coverage in place if you were to become sick. A really great feature of the critical illness is that you can add a rider on it that you get all your premiums back if you don't use it. So it's doubling as like a little savings account, right?
Wow. Okay.
Unfortunately, a lot of people are getting sick in Canada. We have a 1 in 2 chance of being diagnosed with cancer. So the product can be expensive because you are likely to need it. However, if you never need it, you can still get your money back. So those products, really, really important, as well as the life insurance for self-employed folks.
Wow.
I like it. I've never heard of that.
Yeah.
Like that you get that you can, if you don't use it, because usually it's like insurance, take my money. It's never coming back.
Yeah.
And you have to pay more next year.
Yeah,
But
critical illness is the only one that will give you your money back. And I know with my company, I have 2 options. There's return of premium on surrender, which is great because that's whenever you decide to cancel, you get your money back. And then there's return of premium on expiry. So that could be at the end of your career. So then you have a little lump sum cash to supplement your retirement.
I mean, the stats there are staggering, right? Like 1 in 2 people have a chance of getting cancer in Canada. That's pretty high. So having this coverage is going to be absolutely important to everyone, whether employed or self-employed.